Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 lines on camel. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, camel is a mammal that is found in the desert. Second line is, it has distinctive humps on its back that store fat. Third line is, it has long curved necks and can reach up to 7 feet in height. Fourth line is, it has long legs and broad padded feet that help them walk on sand. Next line is, their long eyelashes protect their eyes from sand and sun glare. Next line is, it is known for its ability to go long periods without water. Next line is, it is an herbivore and eat plants, grasses, leaves and thorny shrubs. Eighth line is, it is mostly domesticated in the desert areas. Ninth line is, it is used for transportation and carrying goods. Last line, it is an intelligent animal.